Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make pound cake at home. It could be for birthday or it could be for snacking. The good thing is that we are using less, like 60% less sugar for this recipe. Sit tight and watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important part. The first step is to go ahead and beat the butter and sugar. If you're using hand mixer, beat on medium speed. If you're using your hand, try and maintain a pattern. Beat for 4 to 5 minutes until it's fluffy and nice. Remember to use softened butter, okay? So the next is to add eggs. This recipe requires that you add egg one at a time. Add one, mix properly, and then add another egg. Have you liked this video already? Go ahead and like this video if you haven't, and share to everyone around you that likes pastries and healthy snack. Add your vanilla. Mix the other dry ingredients except the flour. At this point, we're going to combine the flour, the buttermilk, and the butter mixture. We're going to start with the flour and end with flour. So start by adding flour, mix for like 2 minutes, and then add buttermilk. Mix for a few minutes, add flour. We're going to follow that process until we'll use the whole ingredients. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. This is what we're looking for. So in a prepared baking pan, we're going to pour the batter. Unfortunately, my baking pan is smaller than the batter, so I'm going to use my cupcakes to reduce it. The idea is divide the pan into 4 equal parts and fill 3/4 with the batter, and then give some space for the cake to rise. I started baking with 325 degrees for 30 minutes, and then I reduced the heat to 275. I baked until the toothpick came out nice and clean. So that's what you're gonna do. The cake tastes so good, so yummy. You will not resist the taste of this cake. So try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you haven't liked this video or subscribed to our channel, please do. Until I meet you again, or until we meet again, have a great day and stay safe. Feel free to visit my channel for more videos like this. Bye.